Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and I am a little bit scared. The S&P 500, we talked about it yesterday, and I talked about the bearish scenario, and it's playing out right now. I was talking about us going up, basically melting upwards with very little volume, as we can see over here. And today we already bearish engulfed yesterday's candle. So yeah, wild stuff. Nasdaq little dip as well, and the Dixie quite strong. I mean, this is what I'm scared for the S&P 500. Look at how high we are, already engulfed the daily, and I mean, to be honest, downside targets are like, you know, we can go down a lot. Some supports, this one I would say, this quite one, and of course these ones. I do not expect us to go much lower than that, but yeah, a dip, you know, can come, and it can be quite a big one. Look at times we went that high, you know, over here, and this was of course the March 2020 pop. Not trying to say the word, but we all know why that was, what happened. Dixie, I mean, Dixie, this trend line is being attacked right now. Broke it basically already. Bullish engulfing from this previous candles. Not really, but there's a candle in between it. But yeah, resistance right now, where we need to stay below it, is basically 93.5. If they break that, you know, they make lower highs, and for sure it will go up a lot more. And that is bearish for Bitcoin. So I am in a little bit of a short. The chart in Bitcoin itself isn't looking bad. We can very, very clearly see on this time frame already higher lows and lower highs. So we are in a very much tightening pattern. I posted a chart today on Twitter, basically showing this trend line over here. And I mean, we're basically very much tightening, and that is what it's all about. It's all about this low over here, still same as yesterday, basically 33k and 36k. That is what it's all about. We could tighten it a little bit more, you know. Here's these lines we can add in, you know, and that's very low time frame. We can take a quick little look, and I mean, this one just tells me it's looking bad. Basically dying down a little bit, and we almost are breaking this support over here. So yeah, not liking it too much. Good thing is funding is quite negative, or at least on BitMEX. Let's refresh this one real quick. And yeah, negative, so that is the good thing. However, I do not really like the chart, especially not what's going on with the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and so on. Let's take a look at the fear. Quite fearful, extreme fear. So yeah, that is good. Ethereum not looking that bad. These trend lines tightening, rising a little bit, but tightening, making higher highs, higher lows. So that is not that bad. That is quite good. Same for Ethereum BTC, looking quite good over here. New highs, new highs, new highs. So yeah, that is about it for Ethereum. Leo has a good day over here. Can draw a little trend line over here. Broke it. AAVE completely strong. 4 hour a little bit correcting, but still looking very good. AAVE BTC on the daily looking still very strong. Big resistance over here. Maybe already rejecting from it. Maybe it's front run a little bit, but still, you know, it's looking extremely good, and this is a very big possibility. Link has a good day as well. We're on the daily, remember guys. But I mean, very clear trend break over here, and making higher lows and almost higher highs. Let's take a look at the hourly. And yeah, this is something I usually long. Why is that? Well, we can clearly see something like this. And then we can see these higher lows being printed. And this is a bullish pattern over here. And this quite surely will break to the upside. Depending, of course, of what BTC is planning to do. But this is a bullish pattern. Link is looking good right now. We'll draw in some resistances. Over here is one. Over here is one. So Link is a good setup, I would say, for a long, if you do not count Bitcoin with it, of course. And Link BTC as well, big pop up. You can see it over here. I mean, very strong. Let's draw some supports. Support this area, very clear. Lows on it over here, taps on it over there, tap on it over there. Resistance, well, first one coming up is over there. And so on. One over here as well. And that is about it for today already. Like I said, you know, I'm a little bit fearful. And that is because what I talked about yesterday, the S&P 500 is looking weak. The DIX is looking strong. I mean, if this is gonna be a bigger move, the start of a bigger move, Bitcoin is effed, simple as that. However, alts, DeFi coins look good. I mean, yeah, they're looking mighty good. Fundings are negative, so that's a good thing. Yeah, I'm just in a little short for Bitcoin and Ethereum because I mean, I'm just fearful for what the S&P 500 and the DXY might bring. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. And guys, if you want to trade with some leverage like I do, make sure to use the sign up link in the video description for Bybit. I think the best exchange to trade with some leverage. They also pay you rebates if you use limit orders. Make sure if you trade there and you plan on putting a stop, put a stop on the index price. It really helps you and make sure you do not get caught on weird stop runs. Like I said, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.